Where are we going? Brighton, 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 Brighton. Where are we going?
Brighton.
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 Oh.
Brighton. Give me a B.
B.
Give me an I.
I.
I'm spelling it wrong.
Alright. Let's do this. About Covid-19 and the phases that we've gone through. Go on then, Laura, hit it off.
Sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer.
Face masks. Oh yeah, face masks. Toilet roll.
It started off with the toilet roll.
I think the toilet roll is the most memorable one.
Tin food. Remember when there was no beans? There was no spam.
No spam.
And then there was no baking goods, no flour.
No flour because everyone's like baking.
No deck chairs and sun lounges and stuff.
Yeah.
Sun lotion. There was no sun lotion.
Yeah. Remember when you were going to about 5-6 different shops to get vanilla flavouring?
Yeah.
Remember that? Couldn't find any.
What else has there been? There's been something else.
Plain flour.
Then it was all about catching flights, not feelings, isn't it? Right, so we're almost there. We're like
I can see the sea.
5 minutes away.
I can see.
Because so much traffic.
I can see the sea.
See.
The sailor went to sea to
And
see
all
what
that
he could see, and all that he could see, all the bottom of the great moon, see.
Red Bull.
See.
This left here.
At the seaside.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I don't know what's going on.
I don't know, there's loads of popo there.
Police officers.
Is it a protest? I don't tell us.
It's a protest, I think.
Yeah.
We arrived. Found ourselves a little parking spot. Come on, girl.
What are they protesting?
It's climate change.
We have finally arrived in Brighton. We're here. What am I trying to say, man?
Nobody knows.
What I'm trying to say is like what an arrival, like what a greeting, not a greeting. What a, you know what I'm trying to say?
Welcome.
What a welcome that was, that's it. What a welcome.
That wasted 5 minutes.
She's dancing
Like a dancer. What a welcome that was. First time in Brighton and bam, British Airways, things are going off, mate. You know, the house were on fire. What a greeting.
What a, she's speechless.
What a.
Hello.
Yes, guys, lads.
Yes,
so we've
yes,
officially
yes.
landed in Brighton, and first things first, there was chaos, weren't there?
Chaos.
It was chaos.
People standing on buildings, protesting about British Airways,
Emissions, fumes.
fossil fuels.
Not about all that life,
Our
innit?
house is on fire.
Our house is on fire.
dogs. No dogs allowed on the pier.
You're right, Vamos.
Hi, holiday.
Right, we're on the hunt now for a wee because Michelle is dying.
Bad time.
And we walked for like 5 miles.
We've literally got to be back in a minute to move the car.
We've got like 2 seconds left before we have to move the car. Where is these toilets? Right, if you ever come to Brighton Pier and you need a toilet, go toilet before you actually get to the Brighton Pier because you're probably going to get a better chance, aren't you?
It's too much.
Too much. The gang have come from Manchester, aren't you, lads?
Rolling with the homies. It's killing me.
Still need to go for some fish and chips.
And I bet the queue's going to be monstrous.
Cheers, mate. Cheers. Cheers.
I'm hungry as anything. I need some air. I need some energy. Give me some energy.
Give
I
me
need
some energy.
Give me some energy.
So Michelle's so happy right now.
10-10.
Right, so we've almost finished. Peas are out.
Oh yeah. Bit of fish, crispy batter and tartar sauce.
Proper British. We've got lots of donuts and crepes and sweets. There, the meal. Just walking back now to the car.
Like another 10-20 minutes.
So overall, guys, you have a good day?
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah, we have fish and chips in Brighton.
Oh mate, seriously.
I don't know.
Chips in Brighton.
Fish and chips in Brighton.
Waiting out Brighton, right?
My legs are hurting though.
Really?
Anyone else feeling like
Are you poorly?
tired?
Are you poorly?
Chipotle.
Right, we are just on our way home.
How was your day?
Okay.
Was it nice?
Yeah, I've seen the police there kicking off now.
Yeah. What's happening?
Well, it's all silent protest, but have you seen what they wrote on the road?
Oh, are they wrapping themselves to that pole?
No, the police are taking it off now, but you see that purple bit on the road?
It
I don't know if you can see on the camera.
Yeah, and you know that sign on the construction at the end, it says the same thing. The house is on fire.